So it's day 2 here in Amsterdam and ayan, so kakagising ko lang talaga. Kagabi din ako nakapag-vlog because kasi it's red light district, so hindi naman talaga tayo pwede mag-video doon. Even pictures kailangan konti lang. So ayun lang guys, it was really fun. Ang dami ang dami namin napuntahan, pero mostly puro mga bars and restaurants yung pinuntahan namin doon. Update lang, ayan. So today is our activity day na naman. It's day 2 and ang mga pupuntahan namin is yung windmills, tulip fields, mga ganong eksena. So samahan nyo kami and tingnan mo na makakagising ko lang talaga. Wala pa ako sa hulog chart. At it's maaraw, so bye guys! Cheers! Masakit na ang ulo ko. Sa kagutuman.
Gutom ka na?
So guys, we are on our way to Zaanstad. Ayan, we take the bus 391 and it's 6:50. Papunta doon, 6:50 pabalik ulit dito. So 12:50 lahat. Tanga. 30. Kasi 6:50 plus 6. 6:50. Baka 6 lang yung pabalik. So yun na. So look at Mitch. Say hi. Excited na yan sa tulips kaya nagsuot na ng kanyang flowers. So nandito kami sa saan to? Zaanstad. Ayan, and we are checking the windmills and the wind town. So look, it's a small town. So guys, ang ganda dito.
Plastic lang.
Tulips. So kakain muna kami kasi gutom na talaga kami. Ayan. And ayan, magto-tour tayo later on. Bye! So guys, pupunta tayo ngayon sa mga windmill. Samahan mo kami. Samahan niyo ako. So ayan, ano sila Mitch, bibili lang ng ice cream. But we are going to this little small town in Zaandam. And super nice. The weather is so nice. So, hey, look, there's a small bridge right there. So, okay, so, tara. So guys, ang ganda, ang sarap mag-swimming. Char. Ang daming ano dito. Pato. Maraming pato. Tapos, let's go Nico. Let's go to this mini bridge right here. Woo! Pangarap ko to guys. Oh my god. So ngayon napuntahan ko na finally. We are about to go to the tulip fields pero I'm not sure. I think it's a little bit far. Yun lang. Tingnan nyo guys. May maliit na bahay dito. I don't know, this is free entrance. Pag free entrance, papasok tayo. So, ayan, mamaya. We'll explore this. Thank you so much, Nico. You're my cameraman for today. Sana nasa focus back. Sige na, bye-bye na. Bye! Hello!
Kaibigan.
Kamusta?
Mabuti, at ikaw?
Mabuti. So guys, it's our day 2 here in Amsterdam. And we are actually going to the tulip fields. So, ayan guys, pag dito kayo, kailangan yung sumakay ng train papuntang another train station, which is train station RAI or RAI. And then we have to ride a bus papunta doon. And it's gonna be a 1-hour bus ride papunta doon sa tulip fields. So, wala pa kaming kain, but we will go to look for foods along the way. So, ayan lang. With Nico and Mitch. Where's Mitch? Ilang ka guwapa.
Guwapa ka tayo.
I think we have to. Lakad yan. Mukha pang malungkot si Nico.
Natok na ako. Pero sige lang.
Laban. So, iba't ibang varieties ng flowers yun nandito sa loob ng Keukenhof. Maliban sa tulip, they also have a lot of flowers. Pero pag nagugutom kayo, pwede na rin siyang kainin. Charot! Malaki siyang place, guys. It's like a huge park. Saan malaki ang flowers. Gusto ko na to. Bilhin ko na. Charot! Those are glass arts and it's really expensive. So guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Keukenhof. Pero magpunta tayo dito. Let's explore the tulips. Ayan, actually guys, tulips to. Hindi ko alam kung pa rin tumapak dito. Pero tulips to guys. Mga black tulips, ayan, na namukadkad na. I think magsasarado yan sila pag mga ano na, mga pecha de peligro. Wala nang sahod. So, let's go here. Come on. Ito, may pink tulips dito. Come on. Ayan, here. Nico, look. There's like yellow tulips. And they're like pink tulips. Here. Ayan guys. So isa siyang location ng pure flowers actually. And we have windmills right there. So, pero galing na kami ng Zaandam kanina. And this is like the other side of Amsterdam. Dami ring tao dito actually. Hiningal ako guys. So maraming shops dito. We will check and see if we can buy some pasalubong for our mga kasama sa apartments. So, ayun lang. Look how clean, how nice, how pretty this place is. This actually will cost you 23 euros plus the parking fee, of course. And each person yun ha. So, ayun lang. We will spend a day here, no? But we will go to the city center right after. So, bye for now. Bye! Hello, good morning guys! Good morning! So, it's our last day today here in Amsterdam and ang sarap pa rin ng view dito sa room namin kasi I like it. Sunrise is here and ayun lang and we're so happy and super saya. We're about to leave Amsterdam na. Well, nakakalungkot kasi parang kulang pa rin yung bakasyon. But our vacation still continues. Doon naman tayo. Babalik tayo sa Köln in Germany. So, I think we're going to explore naman the other sides of Germany like Dusseldorf or maybe going to some different places as well in Germany. Pero our 3 days, 2 nights here in Amsterdam will end today and mag-check out na kami ng 8:30 kinagamadali na kami. So, bye na! Bye! Nico, say bye! Say bye nga eh. So, ayun, tulog pa po yung kasama ko. Bye! Alright guys, so we're back here in Dom, in Köln, in Germany, and it's our first day So we're going to spend 3 days and 2 nights again here in Germany, in in Köln. So, ayun lang. I'm with still Michelle, Mendy, and Nico. So, pero this time, maghiwalay na kami ng hotel. Kung naririnig nyo ako kasi ang daming ingay sa paligid. If you will see guys, nandito lang kami sa harap ng Doom. Ayan. And, ayun lang. Hinihintay namin si Mitch kasi nasa salon pa sila. Pero, later on, we're gonna go to Bonn. And we're going to have dinner there. So, ayun lang. Medyo 2 trains away kami. 2 train stops away kami from Mitch's hotel. Pero, ayun lang. I'm just really happy to also spend a couple of days here and enjoy the city. So, thank you so much guys. Ayan, maraming salamat. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Of course, matatagdagan pa yung mga videos ko soon. Wala akong microphone, so kung maingay ang paligid, maingay ang paligid. Charot. Sige na, kabay na. Natatain na ako. Bye-bye. Hey guys, what's up? I'm back and I don't know kung anong day na tayo ngayon sa aming vacation. So, ayan, hindi na naman iniisip talaga. We're just actually trying to enjoy every single day of our vacay and hindi na kami nakakapag-room tour. So, ngayon, we are actually here in Köln. So, today, kahapon, ang ginawa lang namin buong araw is, actually, hiwalay na kami ng hotel. Sila Mitch, their hotel is near yung Dome Cathedral. Tapos here we are in Ibis, here dito sa may Barbarossa Platz. Ayan, so maliit lang to, hindi na kami nakapag-room tour guys kasi, you know, sobrang busy, sobrang pagod. And ayun, kahapon ang ginawa namin is while Mitch and Mindy are actually like having their haircut, kami naman ni Nico is nag-ikot-ikot lang kami doon sa Neumarkt. Andun lahat guys, like everything that you can imagine, like some American brands, again, like Five Guys, and then yung Starbucks, and Uniqlo, lahat guys. Oh my god, pag marami kayong pera, pumunta kayo dito. Kasi wala akong pera, nagtipid ako. So, ayun. Pero namili pa rin ako ng counting pants and shorts for summer, of course. And, ayun, for today's video, we are actually going to Bonn. Pero ayun nga pala guys, nagpunta kami sa Düsseldorf last night, and kumain kami dun ng mga sa Japanese restaurants. Oh my god, super sarap. And sulit guys, and medyo malayo siya from Köln. It's like 30-40 minutes away to Düsseldorf, and they have what you call like mini Tokyo. It's like Makati vibe. So ganoon siya, pero ang daming like Japanese restaurants and ang daming mga Japanese doon. So ayun lang. And today, sa Bonn kami, and di ko alam kung anong meron doon. But yeah, samahan niyo kami and we're going to explore the city. So, hinihintay lang namin si Mitch kasi nandun sa kanila yung car. And then, ayun lang. Tapos tumai si Nico. Ayun. So, bye guys. Bye guys. Nico, say bye.
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 Cheers.
Cheers. Hello guys, so ayan, we are back from Bonn, and actually Bonn is a really nice place. Medyo malayo lang siya dito sa Köln. It's like almost an hour and via train ride kasi hindi kami nag car. So ayan, and we've got to experience like some shopping na naman. Ubus na naman ang pera natin for today's video. Tapos kumain din kami sa KFC. We're actually planning to eat at the Korean barbecue sa Bonn, pero wala sila palang samgyeopsal doon. So ayun lang guys, and finally I was able to find Cause, and Bumili ako! Look! Deserve ko naman siguro to, di ba? Kasi I've been working so hard lately and so far naman wala pa naman ako masyadong nabibili within our travel trip. So, kasi more of ano kami like dun sa Amsterdam, yung mga, yung mga places na pupuntahan, ganon-ganon, and food trip. So, this time, sa Bonn kasi ang dami din nilang mga shoppingan. And I found this and I got a bag and also some undies. So, ayan guys. So, yung bag is, I'm not really sure how much is it in the Philippines kasi most probably medyo, I don't know, baka sa Philippines is iba yung price dito. So, ito guys, i-unbox na natin. So, this is from COS. And, so, ayan. Look at the bag. It's so nice. It's like sling bag. Ganyan lang siya guys, maliit lang yung kinuha ko. Ayoko nung sobrang laki kasi mukha na siyang pang Bottega Veneta. So, ito lang siya, ganyan lang, sling bag. O, diba? And ang pinagagawa namin today is ikot-ikot lang kami talaga sa Bonn ng picture-picture. Ayan, so that's another part of Germany, hindi yung bandang Köln. So, it's also different from Düsseldorf. And yun, today dito na lang kami ulit magsistay kasi tomorrow we're gonna check out and we're heading back home. Our trip is almost over. Ayan. Tapos na yung pagiging turista namin. Pero okay lang kasi next year na naman or hopefully before the year ends, we can also again travel. Abang-abang na lang ulit kayo sa vlog. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Of course, bukas meron pa rin tayong vlog pa uwi. Ayan, charot or baka matulog na lang siguro. And see you all again some other time. So, bye! Hello guys, so I'm back and we are actually going to have breakfast before leaving Köln. So, ayan, nandito kami ngayon sa Starbucks. Just right outside the Dome Cathedral. So, super dami ng tao talaga. And, may Filipino dito guys. Dun sa loob. So, she's a coffee master. Ang galing, no? Like, kahit saan magpunta, you will really see a lot of Filipinos. So, very proud. While waiting for Mitch, nakapag-check out na kami sa hotel namin. Actually, check out is around 12, pero we checked out at 11. So that we can just conveniently stay here near Dome before we leave. So, sobrang ganda guys. Ang dami lang talagang tao today because it's really sunny. And literal talaga siya na tourist spot. So, you see those people? You see those people? Ang dami. They're passing by at my back. Nikoti tayo.
As usual.
As usual. Tapos na siyang kumain. So, uy, yung camera umaalog. So, our trip is almost to an end. Tama ba? So, the end is near of our trip. Ito na yun. It's the last day here. We made it like going to a couple of places. Galing kami ng Amsterdam. And then we went back to Köln. So, it's like how many days is that? 3 days and 2 nights in Amsterdam. And then 3 days and 2 nights here in Köln, and then we're going back to, Neustadt. So it's going to be a 9 hours train ride again, but it's easy kasi maaga. So, and then guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, of course. And ayun lang, kakain na muna ako. Ang sarap nito, legit. So, bye! Maraming salamat! Until our next travel. Bye! Hintayin daw yung sunod kong vlog. See you around. Bye for now.